まあまあまあまあ、おっとっとっと。まあまあまあまあ、おっとっとっと。まあまあまあまあ、おっとっとっと。
We can't see you.
Yeah, dude.
Why don't you sit down?
Pull up a chair, my friend.
Hey there, audience members! Hi, everyone! Welcome to a new series called Get to Know Your Coordinators.
This week we are promoting Zach Lamb.
Zach Lamb.
Here's some fun facts about Zach Lamb.
He was born in Michigan.
He shaves his head before every Thursday movie.
He likes to listen to Chillwave.
He has an obsession with popcorn, and he's single.
You know, speaking of single and heroes, because this week is Heroes Week, I hear that is he the hero for the week? Yay, Zach Lamb is your hero.
I don't know. Do you need a hero in your life?
If so, bring your phone number and name up to a box that will be sitting next to me on the stage. And drop it in there, because he would love to hear from you, and we would love for him to get a little bit of love in his life. Alright, enjoy the film!
I need a hero. I need a hero.
Me and Ashley are going to get sushi tomorrow night. Which of you lucky gentlemen would like to join us?
Get to know your film coordinators.
I love music videos. Who Night Bill
Oh god, yeah! Oh,